Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle a common problem in poolers. The problem at hand is how to pass aggregation functions as arguments to a custom aggregation function in poolers. This can be quite a tricky situation, especially if you want to apply different aggregation functions for different columns within a data frame. Let's dive into the solution for this problem. In the solution provided, we can see that we can pass the aggregation function as an anonymous lambda function with the expression as a parameter. This approach allows for flexibility in applying the desired aggregation functions to the data frame. By using this method, we can effectively customize the aggregation process based on our specific requirements. Now, let's see this solution in action with a bit more detail. The provided code snippet showcases how we can define a function to aggregate data using a custom expression in poolers. By utilizing the lambda function with the expression as a parameter, we can group the data frame by a specific column and apply the desired aggregation function. This approach simplifies the process of custom aggregation in poolers, making it more efficient and convenient. Moving forward, the code output demonstrates the result of the aggregation process, showcasing the grouped data with the applied aggregation function. This structured output provides a clear view of how the aggregation functions have been applied to the data frame, resulting in the desired grouped data format. Continuing with the solution, we can further streamline the aggregation process by directly using the pooler's expression function, such as pl.Expr.sum. This approach simplifies the code even further, eliminating the need for an anonymous lambda function while achieving the same desired result. This concise method enhances the readability and efficiency of the code, making the aggregation process more straightforward and effective. In conclusion, we've successfully addressed the problem of passing aggregation functions as arguments to a custom aggregation function in poolers. By utilizing lambda functions with expressions as parameters and leveraging poolers built-in expression functions, we've optimized the aggregation process for data frame operations. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. See you next time.